Ever wondered how to check views on EverWebinar and get detailed insights into your webinar performance? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily track views on EverWebinar so you can understand your audience and optimize your events for maximum impact. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal how you can use EverWebinar for free with some exclusive bonuses, details coming up. First, let's dive into the most straightforward way to check views on EverWebinar. The main dashboard is where you'll start. Once you're logged into your EverWebinar account, head to the Webinars tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your upcoming and past webinars. Just click on the webinar you want to track views for. Next thing you need to know is how to access your webinar statistics. After selecting your webinar, click on the Analytics tab on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find detailed metrics about your webinar, including total views, registration data, attendance, and more. You'll find the exact number of views your webinar has received here, which is crucial for analyzing engagement. The third thing you should focus on is the viewership timeline. In the Analytics section, you'll see a graph that tracks your audience's views over time. This can help you pinpoint peak engagement moments, allowing you to refine your future webinars based on when your viewers were most active. Now, let's talk about how to view individual session data. You can click on the View button next to each session in your webinar. This shows you how many people attended each specific session, giving you deeper insight into which content resonates most with your audience. The fifth thing you might want to know is how to export this data for further analysis. If you want to dive deeper into your stats or share them with a team member, you can easily export your webinar analytics as a CSV file. This is especially useful if you're tracking long-term trends or need to send reports to stakeholders. Lastly, don't forget about the follow-up tools EverWebinar offers. After your webinar is over, you can track engagement metrics like watch time and interaction rates. These insights help you refine your content and make sure your next webinar is even more successful. And here's the best part, you can try EverWebinar for free with an exclusive extended trial just by clicking the link in the description below. This way, you can explore all the features and see how it can elevate your webinars without any commitment. To wrap up, now you know how to check views on EverWebinar and use those insights to improve your webinars. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial and start exploring EverWebinar today.